First, open your image in Photoshop and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Filter. Then select Stylize and choose Tiles. A pop-up will appear where you can adjust the number of tiles and the maximum offset value to your preference. Then underfill the empty area section, select Foreground Color, and click OK. With the top layer still selected, go to Select in the menu bar and choose Color Range. Here, sample the color you want to work with. Keep the fuzziness at 0 for a precise selection, then click OK. This action will create a selection around your sampled color. Now let's create a mask from this selection. Finally, add a gradient map layer, then pick a color combination that best suits your image. Experiment until you find the perfect match. And that is it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips.